السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Let's start with the second part of Unit 3, Solutions. Lesson 1, Solutions and Colloids. The item colloids. Okay. Learning outcomes. We have identify colloids, recognize the structure of colloids, identify Tyndall effect, examples of colloids, types of colloids, applications of colloids. We will have some information we will introduce to our part here of colloids. A colloid is a substance microscopically dispersed throughout another substance. The word colloid comes from Greek word kola, which means glue. Thus, colloid particles are glue-like substance. These parts pass through a filter paper but not through a semi-permeable membrane. The colloidal system consists of two phases: dispersed phase, a discontinuous phase, and dispersion medium, a continuous phase. The dispersed phase particles have a diameter between approximately 1 nanometer to 0.5 micrometer. Such particles are normally invisible in an optical, though their presence can be confirmed with the use of an ultra microscope or an electron microscope. So the parts of colloidal system that can't be seen easily with the naked eye, as the particles of phase or dispersed phase, dispersed or means soluble inside the dispersion medium. We said that colloidal system or colloids are homogeneous mixture with dispersed phase. In this side range may be called colloidal aerosols, colloidal emulsions, colloidal foams, colloidal dispersion, or hydrosols. If the dispersed phase is solid and the dispersion medium is liquid, then it's called or colloidal suspension. But if dispersed phase and dispersion medium both are in liquid state, then it is known as colloidal emulsion. What we mean by the word Tyndall effect? Tyndall effect, which is the scattering of light by particles in the colloid. Some colloids are translucent, other colloids may be opaque or have a slight color. This field of study was introduced in 1861 by Scottish scientist Thomas Graham. As you see, solution left here, left cup, and colloid here to the right. Note their difference when light passes through. We have examples here for colloids. If we have silver solutions, milk, synthetic polymers, and blood. We have here milk, picture of milk, and picture of blood. They are kinds of colloids. Types of colloids, classification of colloids based on physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. We have here a table according to the classification. We mean name, dispersed phase, dispersed medium, and examples. We have the name sol and dispersed phase here solid, dispersion medium liquid, like paints, fruit gels, and gels dyes. Emulsion, liquid in liquid, like mayonnaise, milk, salad, cream. Foam, gas in liquid, like beer froth, soup suds, wiped cream. Solid solution, solid in solid, like alloys, germstone, rubby, and glass. Solid emulsion, liquid in solid. We have butter and cheese. Solid foam, we have gas and solid, gas in solid, like bumps, marshmallow, marginio. Solid aerosols, we have solid in gas, smoke, dust in air, bacteria in water, or bacteria in air. Liquid aerosol, liquid in gas, we have fog, mist, cloud, and sprays. We have preparation of colloids. We have a way we called it dispersion method. In these methods, larger particles of a substance or suspensions are broken into smaller particles. We have a lot of examples here that illustrate colloidal suspension. In milk, colloidal suspension of fats prevent the milk from being thick and allows for easy absorption of nutrients. Sewage water contains particles of dirt, mud, and a lot, which are colloidal in nature and carry some electrical charge. These particles may be removed by using the phenomena of electrophase. The sky is the empty space around the air, and as such has no color. It appears blue due to the scattering of light by colloidal dust particles present in air. This means they have Tyndall effect. The sugar present in milk produces lactic acid on fermentation. Ions produced by acid destroy the charge on the colloidal particles present in milk, which then coagulate and separate as crude. Soup solution is colloidal in nature. It removes the dirt particles either by absorption by emulsifying the greasy matter sticking to the cloth. We have here application of colloids in our life. Some important application of colloids are discussed below. We see some pictures of examples of here colloids in our life. We have number one, therapy. Colloidal materials are used for variety of pharmaceutical application, including therapeutic and diagnostic agents, drug delivery system. Example, copper colloids, anti-cancer, and mercury colloids, anti-syphilis. Another one, drug preparation. Drug substances also be prepared as colloidal sized particles to improve bioavailability or therapeutic activity. Example, colloidal sulfur and a lot. We have tablets coating. Colloidal dispersion of gelatin is used in coating over tablets and granules, which upon drying leaves uniformly dry film over them and protects them from adverse condition of atmosphere. We have here medicines. Most of medicines are colloidal, such as calcium and gold are administered by injections to raise the validity of human system. Food items. Large number of food particles which we use in our daily life are colloidal in nature. We have example here, milk, butter, and some nuclear medicines Colloidal dispersion containing radioactive isotopes are being used as a diagnostic and ther- therapeutic agents in nuclear medicines. We have example here. Colloidal gold is made by reducing a solution of AgCl or silver chloride either by treatment with ascorbic acid. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy our lesson today. We will have another points we will discuss at the end.